for the full moon at the 20th of October 2021, and it's about 5 a.m. in the morning, and it's the last moon this year in Libra, at the very end of Libra. This is not going to be a very harmonious time. It's a time that a lot can get done, but it is not coming easy. There is a conflict, strife. We who are located close to the Mauna Kea are very much aware of our rights, of our demand for justice, and we are coming across aggressively with our demand to get right. But an ancient power of an ancient violence comes out of the family history, not her story, history, and keeps us in check and says the nail that sticks out is the one that gets beaten down first. And then also there may be strife in relationships, that our partner may be at the other side of the table and will just stand for the opposite of what we think is right. So we have this big red triangle. This is also called achievement triangle. And it says there's going to be strife and there's going to be argument in the family. We have another big achievement triangle here. Big fat opposition between Chiron, the wounded healer, as at the partner point, and also at the point where we best work of karma. So this is very much about healing again. And so this is one side. Then here, this is the mid-heaven. This is the place of mission, of vocation, but the 10th house is empty. So there's, in this time, there is no particular mission for us to go out, but to make order inside the family, inside our partnership. And it's all about healing. So here we have the second big triangle. See how these two oppositions are crossing here in the middle. And so we have these two red triangles, achievement triangles. And then we also have not so pronounced. We have this benevolent triangle, the blue triangle between Saturn, Mercury, and dark moon Lilith, which stands for absolute independence. And then there is a second smaller triangle going to this point, Chiron, the wounded healer, directly at the point of partner or enemy, right here. And where the part of fortune is all one big thing. And opposite is Mercury. At the ascendant is Libra, as well as Sun is Libra. But Sun is in the first house, and the first house is equivalent with Aries, right here. And Aries stands for I, me, and myself. That's the first fire sign. So here we are Libra, and we are demanding justice for I, me, and myself. And so the motherly spirit of nature, which is a little bit now becoming a little bit explosive with all the volcanoes, says, "Niet, no. Don't think about yourself alone. You are not alone." And so this happens in our relationships. But here we are going to focus on healing. And healing has to happen fast, yeah? It's in Aries, yeah? And healing has to happen in all our relationships. How we are connecting with another, how we are connecting one-on-one. Now, there's karma, of course. The families are still mostly organized patriarchal, and where it is going to, the organization is supposed to become more matriarchal. This, the Cancer sign, this is the place of mother and child. But right now there's nothing but the midheaven. And the Saturn says not yet, not quite yet. You still have to do some more homework. Then here Venus is interesting because Venus is in the third house, and here it is about learning. Yeah, about learning how are we relating. Yeah, Venus is supposed to be in charge of love and sex, and that is wrong. She is in charge of wisdom and beauty. Love and sex, this is actually Mercury, but this has been changed around. Venus and Mercury have been changed around in ancient Greece with the aim to confuse the commoners. So here we have a karmic aspect of, yeah. Let's put it this way: Venus may be the muse, but she's not the lover. It's not about sex. It's about the image of the goddess that where the German drama Faust by Goethe has as its very last line, the eternal female pulls us up or ascends us, something like that. It's difficult to translate. So that is actually Venus, and especially here in Sagittarius, the last fire sign. Here she becomes a fiery priestess, and she will be disrupted and will disrupt in earth changes. I can't say more like that, more than that. So please let always the images of the triangles and squares and oppositions use that as a meditation image. Yeah, I've said it before. Look at all the blue lines as benevolent. There is easy energy flow, and wherever it is red, it is tension, opposition, tension, 90-degree, opposition, 180-degree. And this angle is called quincunx. That is 150-degree. And these long uh, green lines, they stand for karma that has not been worked through in other incarnations. So here we have a work image. For whoever is doing special prayers or rituals at home and or with others, this is the pattern for the coming full moon. So brace yourself, uh, breathe deeply when tension arises, and don't be mean with each other.